Atlanta, Georgia, June 2025.
Atlanta is flooded. People are on their cars. They on their cars.
Severe storms developed in metro Atlanta again Friday, leading to severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings. Drivers around metro Atlanta had to deal with flash flooding Friday night after heavy downpours moved into the area. In Clayton County, there were particular issues on I-75. The Georgia Department of Transportation's website initially reported that all northbound lanes on I-75, past I-285, were blocked due to flooding. This is near exit 238. GDOT cameras showed emergency crews on the scene.
The good part I like about the rain, when I come in this street right here, catching it and splashing shit.
Clayton County Fire told 11 Alive there were major flooding issues in the area. And just before 11 p.m. DOT's website showed that there were still some lanes blocked on the interstate. Also, on I-75 in Clayton County, northbound lanes were shut down near C.W. Grant Parkway due to flooding. Fire officials said the frontage road was also experiencing issues. In Gainesville, one resident said there's been flooding along MLK Boulevard 2 days in a row from heavy downpours. Kenneth Smith shared video on social media of cars traveling on the flooded road, including a vehicle that stalled in the water. Almost 500 flights traveling into and out of Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport have been canceled due to severe weather impacting the Atlanta metropolitan area.
Okay, here we are on 8 Mile. This is just past Ralston.
On Friday night, a long-lasting cluster of storms produced torrential rainfall across much of the Atlanta area. According to the National Weather Service field office in the city, the heavy rainfall resulted in significant flash flooding in the area surrounding the airport, as well as Grant Park, College Park and Forest Park. A video posted to social media showed travelers who were stuck at the airport amid delays and cancellations sitting on the floor as some other travelers slept. Another video on X depicted lightning illuminating the sky in Hampton, a suburb south of Atlanta. Thunderstorms were expected to continue in the area this weekend, specifically during afternoons and evenings. According to the Weather Service's field office in Atlanta, Delta people are working as safely and quickly as possible to recover flights impacted by thunderstorms, lightning, hail and winds at our Atlanta hub Friday night, the airline said in a statement. We thank our customers for their continued patience and understanding. Intense thunderstorms that impacted the airport, including with strong winds and quarter-inch hail, resulted in over 90 diversions to other airports in the southeast on Friday, according to the airline. The severe weather also caused a pause in the Atlanta airport's operations for safety reasons on Friday night.
Somebody walk on the sidewalk. Please splash your ass.
That's 75. I'm in the middle of the goddamn highway. All I went bullshit. This some crazy shit.
The Federal Aviation Administration evacuated the airport's control tower due to strong winds, the administration said in a statement to NBC News Saturday morning. A few controllers remained in the facility to handle inbound aircraft, the FAA said. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport did not immediately respond to a request for comment.
Silverbacks, el parqueo inundado completamente. Podemos ver ahí.
Delta also said it expects additional delays and cancellations Saturday as teams work to reset aircraft and crew members get their rest. The airline has more than 900 daily scheduled flights from Atlanta's airport.